Oh, he said ghost. How is he gonna make that a video? Oh man. That W, bro, W.
You just have to do it, so.
Oh God,
Yeah.
I'm gonna
3, 2, 1.
Russian move!
Fire!
Gentlemen, go!
I don't think.
Killer star.
Yo, hold on. Where's armor? Oh, that guy might die.
Whoa.
Oh, he might die. That guy took so much more damage.
Oh.
I'm giving up and getting gear. I'm just gonna run it.
It's a very sad fight.
I know. This is not what I had planned for Boatara.
I might not be on
Since
it.
when? No, you're not.
I don't know what team I'm on. I'm just running around, bro.
Oh yeah, you're on my team. Yeah, fuck.
They should at least kill Macdu, honestly.
That's true.
Wait, so I'm just gonna.
Oh no, the hotel. Casino. Alright.
The casino's rigged anyways.
No, it's not.
It is.
Why?
I never made
Because
any money.
99% of gamblers quit before winning big.
Oh, God.
A lot of TNT is being placed. Alright, they're going into the Senate. They're going into the Senate.
But this does give a bit of a trap vibe, doesn't it?
I don't know who's who.
What am I talking about, bro?
Shaban is still alive somehow. It's fully dead now.
Oh, their leader's getting jumped on right now. Oh, it's Macdu versus Shaban. It's the two leaders. Holy, dude, it's Macdu and Shaban fighting each other. All right.
Yeah, I don't think it's only them though.
I know. Wait. Yeah, but dude, Macdu killed Shaban. Okay, that's
They should have let a 1v1 happen, honestly.
between the two leaders.
Yeah.
Yeah. To be honest, I feel Macdu would win. He was the Minister of
Yeah,
Defense
probably.
for a while. Okay, they're going around the beautiful Senate building. That kind of looks like a mosque for some reason. Oh, there's one guy here.
He's last stand.
So where
Yeah.
the last guy go? Oh, there he is.
Oh.
Is he the last guy? Oh, my God.
What is this guy doing?
Where'd Wilhelm go?
You know this one guy that built like a lot of the city? It's crazy. Oh, he's going into his house. Okay.
They're hitting each other.
Okay, he's getting completely jumped now. Oh,
Yeah, he's gone. Dead.
all right.
Say it?
Oh, wait, why are you guys blowing up Boatara? That's crazy.
Where'd Camille go?
I died, so I'm just here with no armor on.
Oh my,
You're
griefing.
dead? Alright.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Yo, this is crazy battle, guys.
I want to
This-
eat.
Whoa.
I don't
I have
know.
7 fireballs with your name on it, Jogi.
Juicy.
Really?
That's crazy.
That's great.
Oh shit.
Are we winning?
Yo, who's winning?
Oh.
Are